How to share your screen in Zoom and share files. First of all, to share your screen in Zoom, go to the button toolbar and then select Share Screen. You will then see all your screens and also applications that are currently opened up on your computer. If you want to share the main screen of your computer, you would usually go with Desktop 1. As I have an external screen connected to my computer, I also see Desktop 2 here, so I can share that as well if I want. And if you have some open applications on your computer, you will see them here as well, and you can also share these. Now let's assume that I would just like to share my main screen. So in that case, I would make sure that Desktop 1 here is selected, and then in the lower right corner of the screen, I simply click on Share. We are now screen sharing in Zoom. The screen that we are currently sharing will have this green border around it. Now to share files in Zoom, hover over where it says you are screen sharing, and then click here on Chat. This will open up the meeting chat window. Alternatively, to open up the meeting chat window, you can also go to View in the top menu, and then click on Show Chat. Once this window is open to share a file in Zoom, click on this little file icon here at the bottom, and there you will get several options. If you would like to share something directly from your computer, then just choose your computer. If you have uploaded a file to Google Drive, for example, then you could simply click here where it says Google Drive. In our case, we would like to share a file that we currently have on our computer, so we will simply select your computer. Now in this search box here, you can search for your file, and once you have located it on your computer, simply click on it to select it, and then click on Open in the lower right corner. If you would like to leave a message with your file, you can now type one. Once you have done that to share your file in Zoom, all you need to do is to click on the Send button here in the lower right corner. Once you see this green check mark here, your file has successfully uploaded and is now shared with all the participants of your meeting. Please note that if you share files in Zoom, only the participants that are currently in your meeting will actually be able to see these files and download these files. If participants will only join after you share the file, then these participants will not see these files and will not be able to download these. In this case, you would need to repeat the process and share the file again. And this is how you share your screen and share files in Zoom. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Zoom tutorials. Have a good one, bye!